Latvian truck driver to Embark 1375. €3,200 net on board Roro Ropax ships, 37,000 ton, 67,000 ton. These ships, they are about 220 meters long, so it's critical for operations between Barcelona, Valencia and Italy. It is critical to have a truck driver on board to do the operations. How many trailers are there on board? Let's say 200. Then there must be huge coordination between shore and the ship, and that's why this is Italian flag. So you have social security, €3,200. Why Latvian? My heart is with you, Latvian people, because you have the best #1 education system, Novi Contas. Thank you very much for you, because you are an example in this galaxy. Then there is little planet Earth, and the best educational system is yours, Novi Contas. And that's why we did get to an agreement to having basic safety, survival, all in one course. And so it is in Spain, 3 courses, €1,700 in 17 days and blah, blah, blah. And then in Latvia it's just 3 days, €400, or was it 4 days, 300? But in any ways, all of you truck drivers thinking, working with happy people, Italian people, 160 crew on board these huge Ropax ships. These are mini cruise type, 72-hour from Italy to Spain, and so 25 knots, very fast, big, huge ferries, total 2,000 people on board in high season. So you can imagine how important it is to have truck drivers on board so that they have these operations and so on. It's basic Italian. Buongiorno, arrivederci, cappuccino, pasta bolognese, pizza, gelato. Ciao! I hope you like this video, like and subscribe. Please apply as many, because you have the best education system. From my heart, I hope we get many truck drivers from Latvia, and then I will make other video about the baker and the pastry and the butcher and so on. Thank you very much. Arrivederci.